how to buy Roblox Premium. So if you want to buy Roblox Premium, then just watch this video. First, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your search, and here you need to search for Roblox. Go with roblox.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you've logged into your Roblox account, here on the left side, you will have an option of Roblox Plus. So let me tell you that Roblox has replaced Roblox Premium with Roblox Plus. So you just need to simply go with subscribe, which will be on the left side. And here it starts with $4.99 per month. So click on subscribe, and then you can go with Roblox Plus, and then plus 500 or plus 1000 or plus 2000. Let's go and pick a plan, and then go with the bottom, click on next, and then you need to select your payment type. You can go and select your credit or your debit card, or you can also go with your PayPal as well. So click on it, and then enter your payment method and proceed with the following steps. That's how you can buy Roblox Premium. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.